What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Your boy is back for another video. If you guys are new, this is my 2018 Mustang GT 5.0 performance pack 1 6-speed manual, not a 10-speed. Beautiful ruby red color. But yeah, for all the new subscribers on the channel, truly appreciate all the support you guys been showing, and everyone from the beginning. You know I love you guys. But let's get started off with this video. So yeah, guys, I wanted to make this video because in the previous video, if you guys did not watch that, I actually went to step-by-step on how to load up your 91/93 tune to your 5.0 Mustang with Lund Racing. I am actually tuned by Lund Racing. If you guys have a similar exact probably tune that you guys want to get, guys, I truly highly recommend it. And it's not even me trying to say because I'm like sponsored or anything by them, not that at all. But guys, they literally know their stuff so much, and the customer service is literally great. Responses literally will reply like the next day when you send the email back. So guys, if you guys are all new to this whole tuning stuff with the whole cars and everything, trust me, I was on the same boat as you guys. And I watched videos and they were pretty easy to understand, but I still wanted to like show all the people that still kind of had trouble understanding, and I wanted to show them literally step by step. So that's what I did on the previous video. So if you guys are new to all this whole tuning stuff, make sure to go watch that old video, because I literally super simple, I explained it to you guys step by step, and we got it. So now we are officially tuned. Today we're actually gonna be pumping some E. Your boy's super excited. So let's see if I could actually help you guys set up this whole freaking N-gauge stuff, because it was a little tricky. So let's get to it. All right, boys, so we are inside, and as you guys can see, I literally got the whole little N-gauge right here set up. I got the speed, it shows me my RPMs, and then the alcohol learning flag that you guys need, and then the alcohol percentage right there, 84.7. so literally the E85 pump where I go to, it's literally like one of the best, really super high on ethanol, very good like E85. So you know, it's always the best. You know, I started off flashing up the car and stuff like that, and I ended up going to a really good E85 station, literally like 2 minutes away, 5 minutes away from my house. So that's why I really wanted to go on E2, guys, because like I have the opportunity to just have E85 stations close to my house. And yeah, so luckily I was able to flash it with very good high alcohol percentage, and it's at 84.7. But let's see if I could kind of remember sort of the steps to like set up your gauge like this, so you could actually, when you flash on your E85 tune, know exactly what to do. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm on the actual email that Lund actually texts you when they send you the E85 flex tune and the E85 race tune. They actually just explain right here what you got to do. Basically is make sure you have the E85 flex fuel tune already loaded up to the SD card. And like I said, if you guys didn't watch my previous video, I explained exactly step by step to how to get the SD card and then the tunes all in your N-gauge and how to set it up. So guys, go watch that video if you guys really don't know how to flash your whole car yet. So but then once you guys learn that you have the E85 flex tune, obviously you're gonna go to your tune in, and then you're gonna load whatever through your tunes. You're gonna load the E85, the flex fuel one, whatever. Let's say you already loaded it up, and basically what I did is I was still on 91 pump gas, and what I did was you have to let it, basically all the gas get out of the car, literally like around probably like what, maybe 5 miles left till empty. I personally went literally to complete zero. I was just driving around town and stuff, and the gas is super close, so I didn't really worry about like, you know, maybe it's like stopping on me or anything. So guys, be careful and know exactly how, if you're gonna be able to make it to the gas station and everything. But once you guys have that, you have no gas in the car, you turn on the car, whatever, flash the tune. It's gonna take like what, 6 minutes. And then once you have that, actually to set up your gauges, the next step, you go to gauges, and then you're gonna go to connect. Well, my car's already connected and stuff like that, so let's just see what this does right here. You click the screen right there, and I think you're gonna go to like this basically this screen right here. This is what it's gonna go to since you guys don't have your gauges set up. You're gonna go to signal, and then you're gonna go right here. So basically this is the alcohol learn. So that's the one that you guys are gonna want to click. You guys are gonna want to click yes on that check mark. And then you have a bunch of other, you have boost air temp, you have air fuel ratio, but you're gonna need that first one. You're gonna need that first one for sure. And then if you guys keep strolling, actually alcohol learn one, you're gonna have to click that one for sure. Basically these two are the ones that you are for surely going to need. You're gonna need your alcohol percentage one and your alcohol learn one. So make sure you guys load up those two for sure, and then you guys could either see if you guys want the speed, you guys want the RPMs. I personally like this setup right here. But yeah, basically that is what you're gonna want to have on your end gauge, is your alcohol percentage and your alcohol learn, because that's gonna be the first step to actually knowing when you're gonna flash your E85, knowing if you have the right percentage, and then your alcohol learning flag. So let's go to the next step after this. And back on the email, like I said, once you guys have at least these two set up, the alcohol learn and the alcohol percentage, that's when you're gonna start. And basically looking at the email that Lund send you, and basically just follow the directions. But basically after you have all that set up, you're gonna already obviously be on the flex fuel tune, whatever. You're gonna flash it, do that, and then you're gonna pump E85. So what Lund is basically gonna be telling you is just let the car, the alcohol percentage is gonna slowly start going up, slowly and faster and faster. And it's basically the car learning the alcohol percentage of the E85 that you have in the car. So it starts literally from like 0, then it starts going up to 10, 20, 30. And then once you guys are doing that, you know, just make sure to rev it up. Even in the email, it says like, you know, give it a few revs, give it up to like 2,500, and just hold it there for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and then just do that. And you're literally gonna see the alcohol percentage start to literally spike up. It's gonna start spiking up. And then Lund tells you that your alcohol percentage should be probably around 30 to 40%. You could basically drive on it. Me and my friend, what he did on his car too, we did the same thing on my car. We actually let the alcohol percentage go up to at least 70%. We let it go up to 70% and then drive off. Lund says you could do it from 30 to 40, but you know, just for us, the way he did it, I wanted him to like show me exactly the way he did it, and that's what he did, just to be a little more safe. But literally Lund even tells you from 30 to 40%. When the alcohol percentage goes up to that, you guys can literally drive off, and then the car starts to actually use it and starts mixing it more, and then your alcohol percentage is gonna go up according to like how good the E85. This is literally 84.7. I saw a bunch of videos also, like this is literally like one of the highest that it gets on the alcohol percentage, so that's really good E85. After that, you just drive around. I found the easiest ways to just go on the highway. It was super fast, got it out of the way. And you're gonna wanna keep driving until your alcohol learn flag gets to 1. Start off on 0, but you start driving around, gets to 1. Make sure it gets on 1, and then you are good. The car has learned the alcohol percentage, the E85 in the car, and you're all set. You're all set to data log. Only data log that Lund requires you guys to do is basically to just do a wide open throttle pull, just to make sure like everything is running good on the flex fuel kit, tune, whatever. And yeah, you just get that, just hit the record button and just do a wide open throttle pull, and then you're all set. Literally after that, you're just send it back to Lund, and then they give you the green light. Once they give you the green light, then you should be good. They don't gotta revise anything on the tune, they don't gotta change anything, and you're ready to freaking enjoy your flex tune kit. So yeah, you're gonna be on E. So like I said right now, guys, let me just turn off the car real quick. Go out here. Boy's already on E85, but your boy is running a little bit low. So other than that, let's go to the E85 station and go pump some corn. Yeah, let's go. I'll pick you guys up when we're there. Boys, got the Propel station right there. Let's go pump some E. And just like that, boys, she's chugging away, pumping that E85, pumping that good corn. That's why I had to make this video also, because like I said, your boy is impatient and went ahead and go pump E85 already when I was data logging and had to load up the tune, but I didn't do it on the video, so that's what we're doing today. And she's chugging away, and there you guys have it. She's all filled up, just clicked right now. And man, guys, I literally still can't even freaking believe that we're already on E that fast, and made such a freaking difference. Like, it's a night and day difference. Like I said, I will be doing a whole separate video of me actually getting on it and me actually giving you guys my whole reaction, because like I said, I just sent the tune back up to Lund, and just waiting for the green light. They tell me everything's good, then make sure to stay tuned, because those videos are coming up. I want you guys to actually know how the car feels if you guys are interested into going on E85. And man, I just literally can't believe it. But yeah, I think for the meantime, this is probably gonna be my most power mods, just for the meantime, you know, while I just get some headers. Maybe later on in the future, still kind of debating if I really should get headers or not. They are super pricey, and you know, so who knows. But yeah, she's all pumped up now, so let's get it. Hey guys, there you go. She's all filled up with E. Kind of just drive it around, make sure my alcohol learn flag goes back up to 1. Just make sure get that E85 mixing good up in there. Since this is the flex tune, I think it's gonna probably be doing that every time I fill up and stuff. Make sure it just gets the learning flag. But a couple little just driving around, let it idle for a little bit once you fill up for 5 to 10 minutes, and then just go drive around. This should pop up in a little bit. That's what it did last time too. And that's basically what Lund says too. So yeah, I wanted to get this video, guys, to show you guys my first actual E85 pump on the channel for you guys. Like I said, I wanted to bring you guys along this journey. Like I said, I want to kind of keep you guys updated on literally every little thing that I do to the car. And yeah, so also wanted to make this video, like I said, just to get that little simple install for you guys at the beginning on how to set up your guys' end gauge correctly, get all the alcohol percentage and all that good stuff. So I hope this video was super easy to understand and super easy to follow. I thought it was pretty easy. I kind of explained it pretty simple. And yeah, just a short little simple video for you guys, get some content out for you guys for this week and see how the car's been doing. And yeah, appreciate all the support you guys been showing. If you guys are still watching, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, comment anything you guys want to see in the future, any future mods on the 5.0. And yeah, truly appreciate it. I'll see you on the next time. Peace.